Did you know New York City just launched a new pilot program that could legalize basements and attic apartments?
That's right. And for the first time, many homeowners across the city may be able to turn those spaces into safe, legal apartments and even generate rental income.
Now, this change doesn't just help current owners. It could also make it easier for buyers to qualify for higher mortgages when a legal rental unit is part of the home.
So let's break it all down.
Hey everyone, I'm Elias with Empire Fine Homes.
And I'm Alejandra. We help homeowners and buyers across Queens and the surrounding boroughs understand how new housing programs like this one can impact property values and financing.
Now here's the big picture. New York City has thousands of basement and attic apartments that have never been officially legal. So this new pilot program, approved in late 2024, gives homeowners in certain neighborhoods a chance to bring those units up to code and make them legal.
If your home is in one of the 15 community districts included and your unit existed before April 20th, 2024, you may be able to apply for the legalization. That means getting inspection, safety upgrades, and updated certificate of occupancy.
So this program offers several big advantages.
Number one, it improves safety by requiring proper existing ventilation and fire protection. It gives homeowners a legal way to earn extra income. It helps tenants gain more secure, regulated housing. And for home buyers, it can increase your borrowing power since rental income from a legal apartment can count toward your mortgage qualification.
That means buying a two-family or a home with a legal basement unit could make ownership more affordable than you think.
Let's keep in mind that not every property will qualify. Homes in flood zones or spaces without proper egress or lighting won't be approved. And for now, this pilot only applies for 15 community districts citywide.
If you want to know whether your property or one of you are planning to buy qualifies, visit newyorkcity.gov and search for the basement and cellar legalization pilot program.
And if you'd like to understand how this could impact your home values or your buying power here in Queens, reach out to us at Empire Fine Home.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could benefit from this information.
Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.